In this video, I will show you how to set the time and date on your FitCloudPro Smartwatch. So if you have any FitCloudPro Smartwatch and you want to be able to set the time, as you can see, mine over here is actually not correct with the date and time on my phone over here. This video will guide you on how to set the date and time on your FitCloudPro Smartwatch. In addition to that, I will show you how to change the time format from like a 24 hours to a 12 hours time format or vice versa. And the simplest way to do this is to basically just connect your FitCloudPro Smartwatch with your phone. To do this, you want to go over to the Google Play Store or App Store of your phone, then go ahead and download and install the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app. If you're not too sure which app your smartwatch uses, you can actually just scan the QR code that usually comes with the paperwork of your smartwatch, or alternatively, you can actually get the QR code from the settings of your smartwatch. So come over to the settings at the bottom and then click on the QR code, then go ahead and open up the camera app, scan the QR code using your phone's camera. You should be able to find out the app that your own smartwatch uses. As you can see, mine over here is the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app. If your smartwatch uses a different smartwatch app, you can actually drop the name of your own smartwatch app in the comment section, and I'm going to help you on how to set the time and date on your own smartwatch. Now, if you're using the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app, just go over to the Google Play Store or App Store and then make sure you download and install the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app into your phone. Once that is done, you want to go ahead and open up the app and then set it up on your phone. But first things first, make sure you turn on the Bluetooth and service location of your phone, then you can proceed to open up the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app. At this point, you want to go ahead and click on the agree button over here. Then just go ahead and sign up or sign into the app if you're using it for the first time. Click on the no account over here if you do not have an account. Then go ahead and enter your email and then your password. Once you're done, click on the register button over here and then an account will be created for you. What you just want to do is to fill up all of this information, and once you're done, click on the next button over here. Click on the next button and then just click on OK. Now automatically, once you give the FitCloudPro Smartwatch app permission to search for nearby devices by clicking on allow, it should be able to find the name of your FitCloudPro Smartwatch over here. As you can see, this is the name of my FitCloudPro Smartwatch, so I'll just go ahead and click on the connect button, and just like so, once I click on the check button over here and both devices are successfully connected, the time on my FitCloudPro Smartwatch will automatically be corrected and be set to the same time on my phone as well. Now, in order for you to change from a 12 hours to a 24 hours type of time format, you want to come over to devices over here, click on the finish button, click on continue, cancel this, and then from over here you want to go ahead and select the hour style over here and then choose whether you want a 12 hours or a 24 hours over here. You can literally see it automatically changes on the FitCloudPro Smartwatch as well. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.